Hello, fourth grade. Today we are going to be going over our Andante song. And so first I want you to just pause this video and double check that you have written in all the notes correctly. So go ahead and hit pause and double check the notes that you wrote in. Okay. So now we're going to go over the rhythm to this song, saying ta for the quarter notes, half note for the half notes, and ti for the eighth notes. Ta, 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 half note, ta, 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 half note, ta, half note, ta, half note, ta, half note, ti, ti, half note, ta, 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 half note, ta, 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 half note, ta, half note, ta, half note, ti, ti, half note, ta, half note, dot. Okay. So now we're going to just practice some notes on our recorder. Remember, right hand on the bottom, left hand on the top. And let me get out my recorder. Remember, your right hand goes on the bottom, your left hand on the top. So we're going to start with a low C. Everything is covered. This is middle C. Let me adjust this to make sure you can see. Okay. Low C. Now take up your pinky and play low D. Take off your next finger. This is E for every. And now we're going to play F. Put down all your fingers and uncover your middle finger on your bottom hand. F. Now G. Now A. Now B. And high C. Remember high C? You cover the back hole. And high D. Don't cover the back hole, but your middle finger is still down. Okay, so now we're going to go over all the notes on your Andante song, but we're not going to play them in the correct rhythm. We're just going to practice going from one note to the next. B, high C, B, high D, high D again, A, B, B, I'm sorry, A, high C, high C, G, G again, A again, B, high D. Remember, don't cover with the high D. Don't cover the back hole. High C, cover the back hole. B, A. Now we're on the second line. B, high C, B, high D, high D again, A, B, A, high C, whoops, high C, cover the back hole. High C again. G. Now A. B. High D. High D again. Don't cover the back hole. High C. B. A. And G. Okay, now we're going to chunk the song, and we're going to play it in rhythm, going slowly. So we're going to take the first two measures, B, C, B, D, D. Okay, we're going to do that pretty slow. Listen first. Now you try it. You can pause here or rewind and practice the first two measures several times. Now the third and fourth measure. It goes A, B, A, C, C. Listen. So it's ta, 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 half note ta. Try it with me. A, B, A, C, C. Let's try that, the measure 3 and 4 again. The A, B, A, C, C measures. All right, so now let's play it from the beginning. Take a listen first. Okay, now let's try you playing it with me. From the beginning, the first 4 measures. Okay, now we're on the measure that has 2 G's in it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5th measure. G, G, A, A. That's pretty easy. Let's try it together. Let's do it one more time. Okay, now let's play it from the beginning, including what we just played. Alright, the next measure is a little tricky. It's B, D, C, B, A, and that's the next 2 measures. It's the high D for does, so we don't cover the back. So I just want us to take these notes, not in rhythm right now. We're just going to practice playing these notes over and over. B, high D, high C, B. So again, let's do it a little quicker. B, D, C, B. Remember, D, don't cover, C, cover the back hole. B, D, C, B. Do it over and over. B, D, C, B. Again, B, D, C, B. So that would sound like this. with the correct rhythm. Let's try it really slow again. Again, slowly, with not the exact rhythm. Now let's try speeding it up with the correct rhythm. If you're still working on the moving your fingers and getting them as quick as what I just played it, then pause right here and practice B, high D, high C, and B. This is towards the end of the first line of the song. So let's play it with the correct rhythm. Just that spot. Okay. And then we just add an A on the end of that, a quarter note. Okay, now let's play it from the beginning. Now we're on to the second line of the song. It starts out just like the beginning. Listen to the second line of the song and see how much it sounds like the first. So it sounds very much like the first. The first 1, 2, 3, 4. The first four measures of the second line are the same as the first line. So that's easy. And then, so we're going to start on the second line, 1, 2, 3, 4, on the fifth measure of the second line. And in that measure, there's a half note on G and a quarter note on A. So that's where we're going to start right now. The second line on measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth measure on the second line with a half note on the G, a quarter note with an A. So let's just do the G to the A. Half note on G, then quarter note A. That's the G, A. Okay, easy. Then the next measure, you have a half note on B, and then we have eighth notes again, which is trickier. So you have the B with the half note, then D, don't cover, C, B, B, half note, then eighth notes, D, C, B, and then the rest of the song is A, G. Notice there are no middle C's in the song and no D's for dirty. So the B and the C, the D and the C are both the high D and C. You're not using your lower hand at all in this song. It's just a top hand song, which should be your left hand. Okay, again, we're going to start on that G. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's practice the B, the D, the C, and the B. So we're at the end of the song, the second line, measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Measure 6 and 7 towards the end of the song. And I'm going to show you where I'm at right now, just in case you're lost. I'm talking about, here's the song, talking about right here, B, D, C, B, half note, T, T, half note. B, D, C, B. Okay. So let's play those notes slowly without the proper rhythm. B, high D, C, my bad, C, B. Again, B, high D, high C, B. Okay, now I want you to pause the video and just practice playing those notes, trying to get it to the correct tempo and the correct rhythm. And I want you to practice B, D, C, B over and over, trying to get it to sound like this. Just like that. Listen one more time. So pause and work on just that spot right now. Okay, now let's try the last line of the song, playing it together. My bad. Let's try that again. Okay, so the tricky parts of this song are definitely the two spots where there's a pair of eighth notes. And the eighth notes in